Okay, this is John Lewis, and you are watching Fisheye Lens Fugazi Part 2. Let's get straight into it. Does water actually bend into a ball? Well, this photo says so. Are there two Earths, or am I missing something? So, NASA's Earth at 100,000 foot, and a weather balloon Earth at 100,000 foot. You know, are there two Earths? I don't know. Possibly. Nordonk Records, again, big shout out to Nordonk Records. Look that channel up, amazing channel. Flat. I'm just gonna recap the definition, just like the last episode. But basically, a fisheye lens is basically gonna distort the video, and it's gonna make straight lines appear curved. And I've underlined that as well. And I've also underlined at the bottom the word astrophotography, because that is what we're talking about right now. Okay. So I'm just gonna go over a quick example of what I'm discussing, and this is a skydiving video. There's many of these skydiving videos around. You can go find these. I probably can't even find the one that this one is, but anyway, we see curvature, and this is just saying they're definitely using a fisheye lens. This is just another reason why, because look how much is in that image right there. You know, you can already see the horizon from there. Shouldn't really be able to see that. Again, look at the Earth. It's curved. We live on a ball, for sure. Oh. So this is the flat Earth monkey, and I'm going to be using the flat Earth monkey for his expression, because a monkey is even surprised at the notion of a globe, because it's so retarded. Okay, it's not retarded, but let's carry on. So yeah, inverse curvature again. I've put lines on this horizon, so it's inverse curvature. How is that happening? You know. So starting off, we're gonna look at the GoPro Awards video, which is like 3 minutes long. I'm gonna link all these videos, and they're deploying a Mirror capsule into space, and it's a pretty cool video actually. So once we're up, this is kind of one of the shots we see of our bending water planet. I put a line on there just to show horizon, like points of the horizon, just so it's clear. Again, the bulge, we see clear curvature, right? So we definitely live on this planet, right, in the solar system and everything. Oh, monkey comes in again. So yeah, this is about a frame later from this frame here. About a frame later, we have suddenly inverse curvature. I don't know what's the explanation to this. GoPro, what's the explanation? So again, another example. We live on this planet. Oh my god! Look, it's amazing. It's amazing. No. Frame later again. You can go and look at this video. These are unedited by me. You can go look at the video. Inverse curvature again. Why are we seeing inverse curvature? So in the last video I made, I looked at this Felix Baumgartner Red Bull jump, and I also found another angle of his jump, and I found some interesting things. So again, this is you can see the balloon as well, but yeah, inverse curvature, just as he's dropping. Inverse curvature again. And then, so this is interesting because this is a three frame selection right here. And so at one point we have inverse curvature, we live in a bowl. The next point we have some sort of curvature, I guess. And then the next point we have massive curvature. Why is this happening? Shouldn't it be curved here right now as well? So yeah. And this one's funny. So that guy on the left, either the guy on the left or the guy on the right, they got sent up into space 200,000 feet apparently. I think that might have been less, but so this, once they were up in space, this was kind of the shot they gave us, and obviously you can see the planet and everything. It was literally a very short period they showed us out the window, but so this is interesting. So in this exact frame, the guy that went up, that was part of the Dude Perfect, I don't know his name, he said, quote for quote, "You can see the curvature of the Earth." Now, I would be suspect to think that there was a script involved in the terms and conditions of this video, since Dude Perfect are a massive channel with nearly 40 million subscribers, I believe. And then at the bottom again, it makes straight lines appear curved. All right. This is the whole premise of the thumbnail as well. This frame here. So and then basically, I'm just gonna compare this to when they're 500 foot up instead of 200,000 foot up, and we get the exact same frame. Why? So you want to have an Earth here with curvature, but you also don't want to have an Earth here with curvature. So I would suggest maybe using a fisheye lens here, and then when you're down lower, just use a normal lens, because this is blatant at this point. I mean, this is completely blatant. And there we have it. The two frames together. Same window, same angle, same guy filming, same camera. I'm guessing the same camera. I mean, looks like a train track or something down there. Yeah. Pretty hilarious. So yeah, this is gonna be kind of the video. I mean, I could make a part 3, but I'm probably just gonna move on to a different topic. This really just explains it all. I mean, what more could you want, really, you know? What more could you want? Just to prove that they're using a fisheye lens. And now we're gonna see quickly what happens if you use a normal lens. And this is kind of the result. I believe this is probably around 40 kilometers up, around that point. So obviously not as high as this one, because this is much higher, obviously, right? And that's fair enough. They probably did go up that high. Oops. So yeah, thank you for watching, and more videos coming soon. Just a quick one. All right.